In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a temporary profile picture on Facebook. To get started, open Facebook in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look for your profile picture and click it to open your profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can manage the photo that other people see when they visit your account. Now click your current profile picture again. This should open the profile picture options menu. From there, select Update Profile Picture. This is the section where Facebook lets you choose a new image, whether that's a photo you've already uploaded before or a brand new one from your device. Next, upload a photo or choose one from your existing Facebook photos. Take a moment here to pick the image you want to use, since this will become your active profile picture for the temporary period you choose. If needed, you can also adjust how the photo is framed so it looks the way you want in the circular profile picture preview. Once your photo is selected, look for the option that says Make Temporary. If you see it, click it. Keep in mind that this option may not always appear in exactly the same place for every user, especially if Facebook has updated its layout, but it is typically available during the profile photo update process. After that, choose how long you want the temporary profile picture to stay active. Facebook usually gives you a few preset time options, allowing you to decide when your profile should automatically switch back. This can be especially useful if you're changing your picture for a holiday, event, campaign, or short-term announcement and don't want to remember to change it back manually later. When you've selected the duration, click Save to confirm everything. Facebook will then apply your temporary profile picture and keep it active for the time period you selected. That's all there is to it. By using the temporary profile picture feature, you can update your Facebook profile for a limited time without making a permanent change. If the Make Temporary option doesn't appear, it may simply not be available for that photo or on your current version of Facebook, so you may need to try again later or check from a different device. Once saved, your new image will be visible on your profile until the temporary period ends.